VR Unity and Unreal Project Development Course. Video 4. Unity VR URP Setup. Welcome to JMP VR, my YouTube channel. It is a pleasure for me to be with all of you today. Good, let's start. Today we are going to focus our course on performing a correct setup of a URP, Universal Render Pipeline, project in Unity, so that we can implement it in our Oculus Quest headset. And we are going to prepare our template project for the future implementation of XR subsystems and Steam VR. In later videos, we teach you how to perform this same operation in Steam VR and in Universal XR subsystems. Good. Let's start by looking at the diagram of steps that we are going to carry out in order to have a clear idea of the process that we are going to follow. First, we are going to install Android Studio in our computer. Second, we will activate the developers option in the Oculus application. Third, we will create a new URP, Universal Render Pipeline, project in Unity. Fourth, we will implement the Oculus integration package asset in our Unity project. Fifth, finally, we are going to adjust some parameters of our Unity engine in order to achieve the full integration of our Oculus headset in Unity. Good. Let's start with the installation of Android Studio in our computer. First of all, we must access the Android Studio website. And we select the option, Download Android Studio. Next, we will see a screen of terms and conditions that we must read, and finally accept it, in order to continue with the download and installation. Once the download of the installation program is finished, we proceed to run it as administrator. Next, we select the directory where we are going to install the application, and we will follow the steps indicated by the installation program. Once the Android Studio installation is finished, we will execute the program in order to install the APIs that we will need to be able to integrate our Oculus headset in Unity. Next, a window appears in which we select Configure. Now, in the displayed menu, we select SDK Manager. A new screen appears in which a list of APIs is displayed, that includes the name and the API level. Keep in mind that the levels we need to install are from level 19 to level 30. We mark them, and then we will press the OK option. We must take into account that this API's installation process may take several minutes. We check that the APIs are installed. Now, we confirm that they have been installed. Once the installation is complete, press Finish and close the Android Studio program. With this, we have completed the first step. Now we proceed to activate the developer mode options in Oculus. You must follow the instructions included in Oculus website. To begin development locally, you must enable developer mode for the Oculus device in the companion app on your mobile phone. Before you can put your device in developer mode, you must belong to or have created a developer organization on the Oculus dashboard. If developing on Windows, you will also need to install drivers to use Android Device Bridge, ADB. To join an existing organization, follow these steps. You'll need to request access to the existing organization from the admin. You will receive an email invite. Once accepted, you'll be a member of the organization. To create a new organization, follow these steps. Go to https://developer.oculus.com. Manage Organizations. Create. And fill in the appropriate information. Once you belong to a developer organization, follow these steps to put your device in developer mode. Turn on the headset you want to use for development. Open the Oculus app on your phone and go to Settings. From the list of devices, tap the device and go to More Settings and next, Developer Mode. Slide the Developer Mode toggle. Connect your headset to the computer using a USB-C cable, and wear the headset. Accept Allow USB debugging, and always allow from this computer when prompted on the headset. If you are going to be pushing builds from a Windows machine, you'll need the Oculus ADB drivers. Download the zip file containing the driver. Unzip the file. Right-click on there. In File and select Install. Once complete, you'll be able to use Android Debug Bridge, ADB, to push builds to your device. Finally, we open the native Oculus application. We select the Settings option from the menu. And then we select the General option. If you do not have the Unknown Sources option activated, you must activate it. And with this, we have already completed the second step. We will create now a VRURP template project in Unity. To achieve this goal, we execute Unity Hub, and we select New Project. Now, we will elect URP, Universal Render Pipeline, template. Next, we introduce the name of the new project, and the path in which we want to create our VR project. Finally, we select Create, and we will wait until Unity has generated our VR project. We must remind you that this step can last several minutes. Once the creation process in Unity of our URP VR project is finished, a set of example assets, that Unity creates by default, in our scene will appear on the screen, together with the post-processing volume object, which we will talk about, and teach you how to configure properly in upcoming videos. Well, with these actions, we have finished the third step. Next, we are going to install the Oculus integration package. We open our VR project. And we select the Package Manager window in which we will later install the Oculus integration package. Now, we select the File option from our Unity editor, and then the Build Settings option. And finally, we select the lower left option Player Settings. Then a new pop-up window appears, in which we will select the option XR Plugin Management. And now, we select Install XR Plugin Management. Once this plugin is installed, a new window will appear with two tabs, one corresponding to PC, and the other corresponding to Android. In the first tab corresponding to PC, we select the Oculus option. Once this option is installed, we go to the second tab, and again select the Oculus option. We reopen the Package Manager window, and look for Oculus Integration, or Oculus XR plugin. If it is not in the list, we can get it directly from the Unity Assets Store, and open it in Unity. Then we proceed to import all the elements that this plugin offers us. You will verify that Unity will ask us if we want to update the package, and then it will restart a couple of times. This process will take several minutes to complete. With these actions we have completed the fourth step. Next we will make a set of adjustments in Unity, so that our VR template allows us to properly connect to our headset. First of all, we must make a platform change. To do this, we select the option File, and then we select the option Building Settings. A new window will appear, in which we will select Android, and then the option Switch Platform. Next, Unity will compress and transform all the elements related to textures, materials, and shaders to a format compatible with Android. As you can see, this switch platform process can take several minutes. Finally, we review the final adjustments. First of all, we make sure that our scene is marked in the Scenes in Build window. Next, we select the option Player Settings, and next, we select the option Graphics. Now we must verify that it matches the options that appear in the video. Now we select the option Player, and next, we select the option Other Settings, and we verify again that all the options match the parameters that appear in the video. Once we have completed the verification, we will have completed this last step. The moment we all waited for has arrived. We are going to test our headset, and check that our controls are visible, and that we can walk and interact with the environment. To achieve this goal, first, we are going to remove the default camera that appears in our scene, and replace it by OVR camera rig, included in the OVR player controller object. Finally, we connect our headset to the PC, and check that it is connected. In our VR Unity engine, we select the Build and Run option. When Unity has finished generating our project, we can see our scene in our headset. Try and enjoy it. Awesome. I hope you have enjoyed this experience. Remember, if you have any problem with the configuration of your Oculus headset, do not worry. You can download this VR project template directly on Patreon with all the adjustments that we have made, including the VR hands. And so far the fourth video of the VR Unity and Unreal project development course. I hope this video has been to your liking. I wait for you in the next video of the course. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and support us on Patreon. Bye bye.